Which of the following contribute to total cost of ownership of a workload running in the AWS Cloud? Choose 2. A. Hardware maintenance. B. Power and cooling. C. Storage costs. D. Space for data center. E. Network costs. The correct answers are C and E. Storage costs and network costs are both components of the total cost of ownership of a workload running in the AWS Cloud. Storage costs refer to the cost of storing data in the cloud, while network costs refer to the cost of transferring data over the internet. Hardware maintenance, power and cooling, and space for data center are not components of the total cost of ownership of a workload running in the AWS Cloud. Hardware maintenance refers to the cost of maintaining and repairing physical hardware, while power and cooling refers to the cost of powering and cooling the hardware. Space for data center refers to the cost of renting or leasing physical space for a data center.